2025 has been a really testing time for you.
I don't care about trolls. I don't care about anyone who says anything.
We have like the devil card in money.
Very thick skin.
तुम एक बार आगे बढ़ जाती हो ना तो तुम पलट के देखती ही नहीं हो पीछे.
Don't push me to that level. I always say it.
So यहाँ पे रानी की नहीं महारानी की बात हो रही है. You will be breaking from the inside.
My intuition usually comes right.
Love reading कर लेते हैं. I'm sure people are curious to know what's happening in the love life.
Hello guys, welcome back. It's 2026. Happy New Year. So today I have Ritika with me. She's an ace tarot reader. She is into numerology also. So today she's coming here to guide me for 2026. Hi Ritika.
Hey, I'm good. How are you?
Very well. Thank you for doing this.
I'm so excited to do this.
So we are going to see how 2026 is looking for me.
So do you have any specific question on mind?
You do whatever you feel like, energetic wise.
Let's see what's coming up for you for 2026 की overall energies क्या है. You will get a very big project first off 2026. This is the card that I personally call it Lakshmi Ma of Tarot cards. We have the Empress energy. So यहाँ पे रानी की नहीं महारानी की बात हो रही है. So we know who the Maharani is. And also business is showing up. 2026 is what I'm getting. Your heart's desire, which is to be a very, very successful businesswoman in your entire bloodline, that's going to come to reality. See, अगर मैं ये कार्ड की बात करूँ वर्ल्ड की, तो ये क्या है कि उसने एक बाउंड्री बनाई है, ओके, और वो बहुत ही सिक्योर और सेफ
That's me.
अपने एक वर्ल्ड में रह रही है. तो जब ये एनर्जीज में तुम शो अप करती हो ना, तो आप हर एक को एक्सेस नहीं देती हो अपने तक आने का.
That's true.
इट्स लाइक सिक्योरिटी चेक कि क्या तुम्हारी वाइब मेरी वाइब को मैच हो रही है. एंड लास्ट ईयर हैज बीन रफ फॉर यू. देयर हैव बीन टॉक्स अबाउट यू. पीपल हैव स्पोकन अबाउट यू बिहाइंड योर बैक. तुम्हारा ऐसा है कि भाई मेरा काम बोलेगा बस.
I don't care. This is me in general. I don't care about trolls. I don't care about anyone who says anything.
Yes.
I'm fine. I'm
Thick
very
skin.
happy. Very thick skin.
So 9 is a number which has qualities of all the numbers. So there is nobody greater.
Love it.
Because when you add 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9, you're going to get 9.
Number 9.
YouTube is also showing up, so I would like to talk about it.
Oh.
So your social media presence is going to be great.
Really?
This is center stage, spotlight energy.
Oh.
And you are not playing safe, Hansika. Whether you want it or not, you are not playing safe in the year 2026. I see you being out there, being vocal about it, you're just being you.
Yeah.
और एक जो चीज़ मुझे दिख रही है ना, that which is actually तुम लोगों को अपने नज़दीक आने नहीं देती हो. तुम अपनी problems discuss नहीं करती हो.
Yeah, that's me. I don't discuss my problems with anyone.
No, you should allow people to help you.
So I have a simple rule. I go through everything alone, and then once I'm over it, when I swim back up, is when I will tell my mom I'm going through something or I'll tell someone.
That's a typical alpha personality.
Yeah.
कि प्रॉब्लम मेरी है, सोल्यूशन मुझे निकालना है, तो मैं लोगों को क्यों बोलूं?
True.
I just need to check few things. जोक तो नहीं है ना ये Zoom पे भी जब हम करते हैं तुम्हारे सामने शफल कर रही हूँ. This card haunts me. She reminds me of you. So we have the wheels of fortune turning in your favor.
Good, high time.
That's definitely happening. But still, Hansika, I would like to let you know that you've not healed completely as we speak today. Okay. You need to do more healing on yourself because the scar is still there and it's going to be there. You are only going to learn to live with that scar. Okay. I know you are strong and I know all of that, but strong people also need love. The way I'm seeing these energies, I don't know, 2025 has been a really testing time for you. Also because you are 9 and 2025 adds up to 9. So it aggravated everything. So
Correct.
Whatever went good went great. And whatever did not go good,
There's
went
nothing good.
really bad.
2025. 2026 is going to make it up for that.
So let's check finances. Money is definitely there. And we have like the devil card in money. So devil की energy मनी के लिए बहुत अच्छी होती है बिकॉज डेविल इज एसोसिएटेड टू कलयुग that we are in. This is Kalyug, and Kalyug is all about material success. So money is huge. Okay.
Tell me something about Nazar. I don't believe in it, but you know the last vlog, I think we were shooting with Farah ma'am, and she's like,
पहले तो मेरे को एक काजल पेंसिल दे. You have to always do this.
and I said, ma'am, I don't believe in it. She's like, just put it. And you also came and told me the first thing
Yes.
off camera. So I said, chalo pooch it about Nazar.
पर नजर से पहले एक love reading कर लेते हैं. I'm
Check.
sure people are curious to know what's happening in the love life.
Nothing exciting.
That's what you think. Love wants to come into your life. You need to allow that love to happen.
We don't want love. It's okay.
No,
Dafo.
no. So there is definitely love coming in your life. It's just that you do not wish to see it, but it is going to show up and it's going to bring in a lot of stability.
Okay. We are not talking anything about this more. This is, we will focus on career.
No, but love is happening. Love is happening.
I have my mother loving me a lot.
No, we are talking about romantic love.
And
Nazar, you mentioned
yes,
about Nazar.
Nazar.
नजर तुमको क्यों लगती है पता है क्योंकि
लगती है?
हाँ 100%
अच्छा।
लगती है. नजर इसलिए लगती है क्योंकि एक जो तुम्हारे अंदर गजब की क्वालिटी है, ये 9 ही है कि तुम एक बार आगे बढ़ जाती हो ना तो तुम पलट के देखती ही नहीं हो पीछे.
Yeah, that's me.
तो ये एट्रीब्यूट लोगों के पास होता नहीं है.
Really?
हाँ, बिकॉज दिस कम्स फ्रॉम करेज.
I always say, if I keep doing this, this will happen one time. I will snap. I will switch off. Don't push me to that level. I always say it.
It is that she's walking away. She's walking away, and
Yeah.
look at her walk. Look at the hair. Look at the sunrise. She doesn't know where she is headed, but she knows it's better than this
100%.
for sure.
Yeah, this is
So
me.
ये एट्रीब्यूट होता है क्योंकि हमको ऐसा लगता है कि नजर सिर्फ चेहरे पे और पैसों पे ही सीमित होती है. नहीं, हंसिका जैसे लोग होते हैं, इन लोगों के एट्रीब्यूट्स इतने स्ट्रांग होते हैं, लोग पूरी जिंदगी निकाल देते हैं ये एट्रीब्यूट्स लाने के लिए, उस पे भी नजर लगती है. तो ये एट्रीब्यूट
So you
तुम्हारा
know,
है.
with this actually I'll tell you a story why this is me. As a child, no, मुझे अगर पता भी होता था ना कि मैं एग्जाम में फेल होने वाली हूँ और कल एग्जाम आने वाला है, so नॉर्मली किड्स क्या बोलते हैं, बारिश हो जाए कि मतलब ये भगवान जी कल छुट्टी मिल जाए या कुछ हो जाए. As a child, if I know I'm going to fail an exam tomorrow, I'll be like, come, खत्म करो, आगे बढ़ो, अभी नेक्स्ट क्या है. So this is me in general. I will never prolong things. I know if ये करना है ना, आगे निकलो, आगे बढ़ो, walk ahead, we'll see what next. So that's me.
When you have 9, no, तो ये समझ लो कि तुम बहुत बड़ा कार्य करके आई हो पिछले जन्म से, उतने
Yeah.
लोगों को मिल चुकी हो, तो इसीलिए इन लोगों की सक्सेस भी बड़ी होती है.
Okay.
बिकॉज उतना बैलेंस है जन्मों जन्मों का. तो दिस इज द लाइफ वेयर यू गेट इट ऑल. सो टू गेट ऑल यू विल हैव टू लेट गो ऑफ व्हाट इज नॉट. दैट्स व्हाई यू वेंट थ्रू व्हाटएवर यू वेंट थ्रू. दूसरा नजर का जो है सिचुएशन, वो इसलिए भी है क्योंकि इट्स बिकॉज द वे यू आर इज जस्ट नॉट द वे यू लुक. वो लुक वगैरह तो कुछ है ही नहीं. नॉट लाइक दैट. No,
Nicer way,
whatever
nicer way.
हाँ, in a nicer way. You are learning the idea of pause.
Very true.
You are practicing pause. So ये करना, हाँ अभी करना है. No, let me get back to you on this tomorrow.
This is me. She's bang on. I swear. Now earlier I used to be like, okay, we want to do this. Let's do it. But now I'm just like, I'll circle back.
Yes.
I'll get back. Okay, so basically 2026 is going to be amazing. Career-wise is amazing. Money-wise, amazing.
Love life also happening.
If that's what you say. I need to focus more on myself
Yes.
and hear my intuitive calling.
Yes.
This was fun.
Yes.
This was fun. Thank you so much for doing this with me. And I'm glad I did this in 2026. You sorted me out mentally for 2026. And thank you for doing
Thank you.
this.
Thank you so much.
Lots of love. Thank you, guys. You know the drill. Like, share, and subscribe. And also, guys, I'm going to link her Instagram in my video somewhere here. And go follow her. She's really good. Thank you, guys. Love you. Mwah.